3, 2, 1. Open your eyes now, Ryder.
Ooh, what is it? Ooh, what's inside? The cousins! The barbecue set! I wanted this one so badly! There's one more. This one looks big. My Bluey Family Home! I want it! This is so exciting. Now let's unbox the Bluey Family Home. Includes Bluey, and you can pack and go. It's on the other side. Bath time? What's for dinner? I don't know yet. Holds the whole family? Ooh. Time for bed. Yes it is, Mum. Built-in handle? Yee, what does that say? Fold up storage, and what's this? Outdoor deck for more play? Wow! I can't wait to unbox it. Let's have a look. Get it out. Ooh, exciting. That is amazing. Now let's move this back. Ooh, a patio. Just put this over here. Now let's get the accessories. Ooh, fridge. All yummy food must be inside. Yep, that's all the things I would eat. The bathtub. Oh, and it actually moves. Oh, the kitchen bench. Sit that there. The stools. So the little things can be. Oh, I'm having some breakfast. Oh, or lunch or dinner, whatever you want to say. Oh no, it's the toilet. Or should I say, a dadunny. And the last thing is the front steps. Now before I put all the accessories in, Mum's just going to cut all these cords, aren't you, Mum?
Yes, Righty.
Okay. Welcome to my Bluey Family Home. But wait a second, where's Bluey gone? I think I know. Ba, 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 ba. Now let's add all the furniture. And the big B is for Bluey's bed and the little B is for Bingo's bed, just so you know. Now for the bar. And now for the toilet. Stinky. No, not stinky yet. It's just me. The fridge. The kitchen counter. Sinks. But what should they have for dinner? I think I know. They should have a barbecue. And who will come to their barbecue? I think I know that too. The cousins! I'm really excited to unbox the barbecue set. So Mum, can you please unbox the cousins?
Sure, Ryder.
Ooh, the hat comes off! That's cool. Oh, wow. Set it up.
Bingo.
The egg flip. What? Now to the table. This is the stuff you have to cook with. The next chair.
There you have the cousins.
Yep. And now for the salad.
Oh, the salad looks good.
I know.
Can you show me the salad?
Yep.
Does that have capsicum in that salad?
No, I think it's tomato.
It's very cool.
Yes, I know. Oh, now it's the barbecue.
Oh, I was waiting to see this.
I know. A grill. Ooh. Now for the sausages. They're on the tray, ready to go. That in there. Bennett needs to get ready. Let's move this over so Bennett has some room.
Good idea.
Yeah, I know. Keep that here so Bennett sits there.
I like his hat.
I know. It still comes. I like how it comes off. That's really cool. Oh, don't want it to come from its eyes.
No, he has to see what he's cooking.
Yeah, he'll burn it. I'm hungry. The dinner's not ready yet, Muffin. Oh.
I think before dinner though,
Yes?
Socks might need a bath. I have an idea, Ryder. I have an idea for the bath. Can you pass me the bath?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Ryder, the bath's ready now.
Good.
I even made some bubbles.
Oh, that looks good. Come on, Socks. I'll help you into the bath. Ruff.
That's a good idea.
Yes. Bluey, you want to play upstairs? Yeah, let's go. Whee! I can't wait any longer.
Ryder, does the spatula work in Bandit's hand?
Oh, let
Can
me
you
have
see
a
if
look.
it'll go in?
Let me have a look. Yes, it does!
Excellent.
Flip, flip, flip. Dinner's ready. Wait, what? So it's dinner time here, and then we're gonna keep playing. And Bandit, you did a great job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.